What's up, my people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins and I am so pleased you're here to join me on this video. So today's video I will be showing everyone how to tie gele, the pleats with the twist. So I hope you all enjoy this video. I hope you find the video helpful. And yeah, gele is the African hair tie that we tie for our special occasions. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Now for this video, what you need is obviously you need your hair tie, your gele, and you need some pins. So we're gonna get straight to it. Just like my other video, my previous video to the turban gele, is the same way you do it. You'd, for those who don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna go straight to now. Now you fold the gele into 2 equal parts, right? 2 equal parts, and then you make sure you press the middle, so you press it down. Press that down, and you've got the so you've got the line, right? So you've got the line, and then you fold like so. The amount of pleats you want, right? Now for the twist, for the turban one, I said the middle goes like right in the middle of your head. But for this one, because this is the twist and we're gonna go twice on her head, like it's gonna go once and then other side to come. So, well, in gele terms we would say it's 70-30. So the 70 goes on the hand you use. Now here we are. Here's my middle. So that's gonna be, that's my 30, that's my 70, and my 70 goes on my left, right over my ears like so, and then I use my hand like that, and then let me try and come closer so we can see that. Okay, so there's my pleats, and then put it over my ears and across. So I kind of bring that right across under my chin, my neck right here, and try and make sure that doesn't go move too backwards. And like before, we follow the pleats. Hold that right, and you do a crisscross behind, and this comes right on the other side, and you hold it. Make sure your pleats are quite neat and tidy. You can do more than this if you want, you can do less if you want, and you can choose not to have any pleats at all. You know, it's different ways. So the 70, you cannot, so you twist, and then you bring it over from the last pleat. You bring it over, 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 bring it all the way to the back, and you knot your hair tie. Get your pins. That's how you achieve your Gele. The plates. Ooh, that came with a twist. And you're ready for your party. One bit. Eh? Hey, me ba woni yo she wa.